This store operates on a dropshipping model and sells this product. Last month, it managed to make over $45,000 from selling this product. All of this was done without spending a single dollar on advertising. It was achieved by creating an account on TikTok, placing the store link in the bio, and starting to create daily content for these products. They sell this product for approximately $90. While its cost is less than $40. They managed to achieve a large profit margin and made over 650 orders last month. Today we will learn together how to start in dropshipping, create a professional online store, and find a supplier to source products for us at low prices. I upload a winning product video every day, so subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's start our dropshipping journey. I'll leave the Shopify registration link in the video description, which will give you the first 3 months on Shopify for just $1 per month instead of paying for the full plan. You will start by registering for a Shopify account. Then we move to step number 2, which is finding a supplier to import products into the store and ship them to customers. The supplier is Zendrop. Zendrop has a free plan and offers thousands of winning products, auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. We will start by installing the app on the store. Then we go to Shopify, click on Apps, and select Zendrop. Here you will start typing the product name. This is the product that the person is selling. We will open it. Here you will find all the product details. Below, you will find the variants, which include the available colors and sizes of the product. Here you will find the product cost, and here is the shipping cost, which varies depending on the country. Here is the total cost. To add this product to the store, we will click on Add to My Products. Then we go back and click on My Product. After that, we can repeat this same step to add other products. Then we click on Review and Publish. Next, we click on Publish and start editing everything related to the product, whether it's the name, description, or variants. From here, we can change the sale price. For example, I can sell this product based on size with different prices. After that, I will choose from here the images I will publish on the store. Then click on Publish to My Store. After that, click Confirm. Now the product is published to the store. If you go to Shopify and click on Products, you will find the product here. You can edit all the product details again. From here, I will leave a complete video link in the video description explaining how to design an online store on Shopify. The next step is that you need to link the payment gateways to the store. Therefore, once people order the product from the store, the order will reach Zendrop here in the Orders section, and you can ship the orders to them through Zendrop. At first, you will add a balance here equal to the order cost. Then you will fulfill the order and ship it to the customers. The advantage of Zendrop is that it provides you with 25 orders in the free plan. If you want to process an unlimited number of orders, you can subscribe to a paid plan. The next step is to create accounts on TikTok and Instagram, put the store link in the bio, and start creating daily content about the products you are selling. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Goodbye.